may isang senador, Pangilinan. Noon, below 8, no criminal liability yan. Below 9 rather. I'm sorry, below 9. Above 9, under 12, tignan ng fiscal o ano, if there is really malice or a violent character. Noon, 12 hanggang 16, apply na yung law. Pero usually, yung bata talagang nire-release. Here comes Pangilinan. No? You know what the guy did? Yung problema natin ngayon. Yung mga hold-upper na, yun yung nakikita ninyo noon na sa Dewey Boulevard. Nakikita ninyo nag-snatch, takbo dito, takbo doon, nakukuha sa camera. And do you know, I said, why they are so bold to do that, daring? Because they have been previously, sa experience nila, under the Pangilinan law. Hindi ka makulong. Kung yung 15 years old, papasok ka ng bahay, sasaksakin ka, patayin ka, tapos kunin mo yung kinuha yung pera. Pagdating doon sa stasyon, sabihin ng police, report ng recorded, go where you want. That increase the number of crime tenfold. Fiscal na ako noon. Sabi ko, napakagagong. And the Congress that went along with it. Yung mga abogado, tanungin ko siya, buhay pa man kayo. Yung members of the Congress, hindi pa ninyo binasa ng gusto yan? Kaya doon nagsimula ang pulis na magsabi, minor yan, huwag yan. Hindi yan. Kaya lumalaban. Even if it's a minor, and it's a grievous offense, dadalhin talaga sa estasyon yan for recording. Kasi may complainant eh. Hindi mo pwedeng bitawan dyan na basta-basta palakarin mo lang. Even if they are minors, but even if there is a Pangilinan law. Actually, wag kayong bumoto